Hi everyone, welcome to HomeSpot. Today, we're diving into the world of sustainable Balinese gardening, where beauty meets practicality in the smallest of spaces. In this video, you'll discover 18 creative garden ideas using repurposed materials, proving that even a tiny space can become a lush, tropical oasis. From bamboo water features to upcycled planters, each idea embraces eco-friendly design while capturing the essence of Bali's serene landscapes. Stay with us until the end for inspiring, easy-to-apply ideas that will transform your space. Ready to explore? Let's get started. A gentle bamboo water fountain trickles in the heart of a tiny Balinese garden, creating a soothing ambience. Surrounded by lush greenery and moss-covered stones, this simple yet elegant feature brings harmony and peace, reflecting traditional Balinese design with sustainable, repurposed materials. Transitioning from water to greenery, vertical gardens maximize small spaces while maintaining Bali's lush essence. A stunning vertical garden made from reclaimed wooden pallets transforms a compact space into a tropical sanctuary. Overflowing with orchids, ferns, and cascading vines, this design breathes life into bare walls. It showcases how repurposed materials can create beauty and sustainability, even in the smallest areas. To complement this lush greenery, a carefully designed stone pathway guides the way. A winding stone pathway, made from salvaged pebbles and rocks, meanders through the garden, enhancing its natural charm. The soft crunch beneath each step adds a sensory element, blending function with aesthetics. It's a timeless feature that defines movement while maintaining the organic feel of a Balinese retreat. Above the pathway, delicate coconut shell planters introduce another level of beauty. Reclaimed coconut shells find new life as elegant hanging planters, filled with vibrant orchids and trailing vines. Suspended from bamboo frames, they add vertical interest and a touch of traditional Balinese craftsmanship. These eco-friendly planters not only save space, but also enhance the garden's natural, earthy appeal. For a comfortable spot to admire this lush display, a repurposed wooden bench offers the perfect seat. A handcrafted wooden bench, built from reclaimed timber, sits peacefully in the shade, inviting quiet reflection. The weathered texture blends seamlessly with the garden's natural surroundings, while its placement offers a perfect vantage point to enjoy the soothing sights and sounds of the space. Nearby, the gentle trickle of a clay pot fountain adds to the serene atmosphere. Stacked clay pots, creatively repurposed, form a charming water fountain that softly bubbles, bringing a sense of tranquility. The rhythmic sound of water enhances relaxation, while the rustic, earthy tones of the clay complement the garden's natural hues, reinforcing the harmony between man-made elements and nature. Just beyond the fountain, a small koi pond adds another dynamic water feature. A repurposed barrel transforms into a miniature koi pond, teeming with colorful fish and floating lotus leaves. This compact yet vibrant water feature introduces movement and life, making the garden feel even more immersive. The pond's reflective surface enhances the illusion of space, perfect for tiny urban gardens. As dusk falls, glowing Balinese lanterns illuminate the garden's charm. Soft, flickering light dances through handcrafted lanterns made from recycled glass bottles, casting mesmerizing patterns across the garden. These eco-conscious lanterns provide a warm and inviting glow, creating a magical ambience that enhances the garden's nighttime beauty while embracing sustainability and traditional craftsmanship. The play of light and shadows highlights the organic sculptures nestled within the space. Elegant pieces of driftwood, naturally shaped by time and tide, become artistic focal points in the garden. These sculptural elements add texture and movement, echoing the organic beauty of Bali's landscapes. Arranged thoughtfully, they create depth and contrast against the lush greenery, making the garden feel both curated and wild. Framing this serene oasis, a beautifully crafted bamboo fence provides privacy and definition. A handcrafted bamboo fence, made from repurposed poles, encloses the garden with a natural yet structured touch. The warm, golden hues of bamboo harmonize with surrounding plants, ensuring privacy without feeling heavy. This simple, sustainable solution ties the entire space together, offering a secluded retreat infused with Balinese elegance. Old tires find new purpose as vibrant hanging planters, painted in earthy tones and filled with cascading tropical plants. These eco-friendly containers add a playful yet rustic touch, bringing height and depth to a small Balinese garden. Their circular shape contrasts beautifully with the natural lines of bamboo and stone. To create a cozy corner for mindfulness and relaxation, a meditation space integrates seamlessly into the garden's layout. A quiet meditation nook, nestled among tropical foliage, invites peaceful reflection. A bamboo mat and comfortable cushions provide a simple yet serene space, while the scent of incense drifts through the air. This small sanctuary blends nature and spirituality, embracing Bali's deep-rooted tradition of mindfulness and tranquility. Guiding visitors into this mindful retreat, a mosaic pathway adds both color and creativity to the garden's floor. Fragments of broken tiles are transformed into a stunning mosaic pathway, weaving through the garden like a piece of art. The interplay of colors and patterns adds vibrancy, while the upcycled materials reinforce sustainability. This handcrafted feature turns every step into an artistic journey, celebrating imperfection and renewal. Enhancing the garden's sensory appeal, the gentle melody of bamboo wind chimes dances in the breeze. Delicate bamboo wind chimes sway gently, filling the air with soft, rhythmic tones. These handcrafted instruments, made from repurposed bamboo, infuse the garden with a calming atmosphere. The natural soundscape harmonizes with the rustling leaves and flowing water, creating an immersive, meditative outdoor experience. For an elegant entrance, a repurposed metal arch frames the garden with grace and style. An old metal frame, reshaped into a garden arch, becomes a stunning entryway adorned with climbing jasmine and tropical vines. This upcycled feature adds height and grandeur to a small space, while fragrant blossoms fill the air with their sweet aroma, enhancing the overall sensory experience. Within the garden's edible section, a repurposed drawer herb garden adds practicality to beauty. Vintage wooden drawers, repurposed as planters, create a charming and functional herb garden. Planted with basil, mint, and lemongrass, they provide fresh ingredients while blending rustic charm with sustainability. The stacked arrangement maximizes space, making it perfect for small gardens that need both aesthetics and utility. Adding vertical interest, a bamboo trellis supports climbing plants, weaving lush greenery into the garden's design. A handcrafted bamboo trellis provides a sturdy yet beautiful support for climbing plants like passion fruit and jasmine. Its natural texture blends effortlessly with the surrounding foliage, while the intertwining vines create a living wall of greenery. This sustainable structure enhances privacy while celebrating traditional Balinese craftsmanship. At the heart of this tranquil oasis, a floating lotus bowl completes the serene ambience. A repurposed basin transforms into a delicate floating lotus bowl, featuring serene pink blossoms drifting across still water. This elegant water feature captures the essence of Balinese spirituality, symbolizing purity and peace. As the final touch, it brings balance, beauty, and a sense of completeness to the garden. And that's it. 18 amazing ways to create a stunning Balinese garden using sustainable and repurposed materials. Whether it's a simple bamboo trellis, a peaceful koi pond, or a charming vertical garden, these ideas show that beauty and sustainability can go hand in hand, even in small spaces. Which idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps us bring more creative and eco-friendly home inspirations to you. Thank you for watching HomeSpot. See you in the next video.